is going on, everyone? Welcome back to day 20. We're about 15 minutes after time right now, but no time like the present to get into it. All right, so Grove positioning system. Yes, yeah. I was like, seems like about time to move on from graph traversal, so let's see what it is. Finally time to meet back up with the elves. You can try to contact them, however, you get no reply. Perhaps they're out of range. You know they're headed to the grove where the star fruit grows, so if you can figure out where that is, you should be able to meet up with them. Fortunately, your handheld device has a file, your puzzle input, that contains the grove's coordinates. Unfortunately, a file is encrypted. Just in case the device were to fall in the wrong hands, maybe you can decrypt it. When you were still back at camp, you ever heard the elves talking about coordinate file encryption? Hey man, what's going on? The main operation involved in decrypting the file is called mixing. Encrypted file is a list of numbers. To mix a file, you must move each number forward or backward in the file, a number of positions equal to the value of the number being moved. The list is circular. Moving number of one. Wait, so the list is circular, so moving a number off one end of the list wraps the other end. For example, to move 1 in the sequence like 4, 5, 1, 7, the 1 moves 1 position forward, so it goes where 7 is. Move 2 in a sequence like this, the -2 moves backwards. The numbers should be moved in the order they're originally appear in the encrypted file. Moving numbers moving around during the mixing process do not change the order in which the numbers are moved. Okay, so consider this file. So 1 moves between, okay, so 1 moves 1 forward, and then 2 moves 2, 3 moves 3, 4, okay. Then the grove coordinates can be found by looking at the 100th, 2000th, and 3000th numbers after the value 0, wrapping around the list as necessary. In the above example, the 100th or 1000th number after 0 is 4. 2000th is -3, and the 3000th is 2. Adding these together produces 3. Mix your file exactly once. What is the sum of 3 numbers that form the grove coordinates? So 1000, 2000, and 3000. Okay. So let's get this. And we can say val nums is lines map it dot to int. Okay. And let's hit this. So this is like 1 moves forward, 2 moves 2 forward. Oh gosh. So the way, oh gosh, what do we do? So the whole thing's circular, so if you know the one that goes, that's in front of you, so like 1 is next to 2 and 3, you can kind of it makes it so it's kind of disjoint. So we're gonna use a map. This is kind of the unconventional way, but I'm kind of anticipating what it's gonna ask next. So what you do is you do val map links equals mutable map of int. Okay, and then you go nums dot zip with next, and then you're gonna say for each, and then new map links it dot. So what this is doing is every entry in the map tells you what the next one is, and then you can just mix them around a lot easier. So you can hop back and you don't have to reorder a list, basically. So for each link, okay, and then the other thing we have to do is we have to link the very last one to the very first one. So map links. Actually, this has to be, because we have to be able to go both ways. So this is going to be forward, and then we're going to do a backwards one too. Backwards. Okay. So backwards, second. Okay. And then we have to, like I said, we have to do map links forward. So we're gonna say nums.last and equals nums.first. And then we can do this the other way too. So nums first equals nums.last. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through this, and we are going to, we can traverse, we're going to move stuff and then reconstruct the list, and then I think we probably need to keep track of the first thing, because it says they should be in number order, right? It says you're looking at the 1000th. Oh, after the value is 0. Never mind. So we don't actually care about reconstructing, or we will care about it. Return 0. Okay. So how about just for I in nums dot indices, and let me make sure I understand this right. So we go through them in this order, 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do it here. So we're gonna say val num equals nums I, and then we're gonna say I'm not sure if we can generalize this, so we'll just say if num equals 0, then we don't do anything. Continue, else if num is greater than 0. Okay, so if this is the case, then what we have to do is we're gonna say repeat so what we want to do is we want to take this number out of the thing. So I'm going to repeat it num times, and we're going to say we're just going to say var. Actually, yeah, this is fine. Equals num. So what do we want to do? Actually, we want to grab both directions and we need to meld them together. So I'll say var prev equals map links backwards of num, and then this is going to be next. So, yeah, let me know if the music's too loud. It's a little bit loud in my head, but you can't hear in my brain, so. Okay, so now we're gonna like stitch these together, right? So, we're gonna say map links forward of previous equals next, and map links backwards of next equals previous. It doesn't like this because it wants me to say, hey, these aren't null. Okay. So we've taken our number out. Then we actually just need to, we don't need to move a lot of these. What we need to do is we need to find the insertion point. So what we need to do is we need to follow the links. So var new prev is can I just do this? Var new next equals null. Okay, and then let's see if I guess we will do if num is greater than 0. Repeat num. We need to follow the forward link, right? So we'll say new prev equals next, and problem here. Oh, this should be int. Okay, so we're just gonna walk forward here, and then so this is gonna say new. Sorry, this should be new. It should be initialized as next, and then new next equals map links forward. New next, like this. Okay, this just jumped us forward. Else, and we'll repeat it. Absolute number. I'm assuming like that. So okay, so this takes it out of the list. This is moving our pointer forward or back. Right, so map links. This actually needs to be reversed. So since we are going to move, I guess actually this can say prev. So we didn't need this at all. This needs to be this. Okay. So when we're going forward, this is all good. And then we're going backwards. We actually want to reverse these. So we actually want this to be map links backwards is new prev. And we have to assign new next first. Okay, and then after we've moved it, we're going to put this the new number back in, so we can actually just do kind of a similar thing to this. So map links forward of the new previous should point to num. You don't need this. And map links backwards should point from new next to num. Okay, and then we have to do from this to new previous. I think this is right. We didn't have to do this before because we were just kind of sewing it up, but here we're opening up a new seam. So we have to move some extra pointers. And this is the old pointer that we need. Is oh, new forward. This is wrong. New next. Okay, and then here. Okay, cool. Here we can just reconstruct on 0 because that's what we need to do. So for mutable list of can actually just do mutable. Never mind. Val list equals mutable list of int for I in nums dot indices, and then we can just, we're actually just going to loop through all of these. So say var next equals 0. And so then what we can do is we'll say new list.add next, so that'll start us with 0, and then we'll say next equals links forward of next. Okay, and here we'll do list.debug. And I don't think we can actually do this here. It's like adding, oh, it loops around. So then what we can do is we can say val thou equals this mod new list dot size. This probably actually has to be a +1 because you would probably call the first element 1 when it's actually like the 0th element. So to get 1 indexed. 2, 3. I think I'm probably, I think I'm doing this quick, but I started a bit late, so what's the sum of these that form the grove coordinates? Thou plus 3. E thou. Keep it. Run it. Oh, stupid. This is where you gotta add your parentheses. I wonder if I could actually I'll check this after if I can just highlight it and try to put it around. Well, I'll just submit this and it'll take me a minute to check to see if it's right anyways, so no. Okay, so I do have a bug here somewhere. That's okay then. I'm just gonna comment out this. What did I, jeez. There's some hotkey that I'm hitting that, that like makes this kind of strange. 0. Okay, let's see here. Do I have the right thing? 0, 3, 1. No, something's wrong here. Okay, this is what I have is 0, 3, 1. Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? Let's Let's extract this. Print list. Okay, and now I can do this after each one, right? If it's 0, we don't need to. Actually change this real quick so that oh, that's this. We'll call this make list, and then string. All right. All right, where to screw this up? So initial arrangement when okay, and then 0, 4, 2, 1, negative 3, 3, 2, 1. That seems fine. I should just print the backwards list too. So map. Maybe I'm screwing that up. Forward. Backward. Should do this right. Absolute value. The new text. CVS. I think that kind of looks right. Yep. Just add a. Get this thing off that, and sorry, I just am having trouble following this. One more. All right. All right, here we go. So 0, 4. This is what I want. All right, so we got 0, 4. This is an original, so we got 0, 4, 2, 1, negative 3, 3, negative 2. And if we do that backwards, we have 0, negative 2, 3, negative 3, 1, 2, 4. So that seems pretty good. And then we do 2. And so we got got 2 is between negative 3, so 1, negative 3, 2, 3, negative 2, 0, 4, backwards 2, right? 0, negative 2, 3, 2, negative 3, 4. Okay, where's the issue? It must be the one after that, right? We must be doing negatives wrong. Let's print more easier debugging. Okay, here we go. So negative 3 has got to be the problem. 1, 3, negative 3. All right. So backward we have 0. Okay, yeah, this is wrong. So 0, 4, 1, 2. What is the problem here? So Yeah, this definitely doesn't work, and I definitely did it wrong, but because right here, it's here. That should go 1, 2, 3. So here, the backlinks 2, 3. Yeah, okay. What is going on? Yeah, so it should just go this, right? All right, let's see. Heck, didn't I just run this with the new printing? Oh gosh, did I do this wrong? Nums, num. Oh, I am so stupid. Aw, no. Okay, there we go. Got it. You gotta listen to your IDEs, dude. It was telling me that it was wrong. Okay, let's just check to see if the order's right now. So we got 1, 2, -3, 4, 0, 3, -2. This seems good. Why is it outputting? The hell? All right. No. Okay. So maybe this is wrong. All right. 4, -3, 3. Okay. Cool. Well, that was kind of annoying, but we got it. Oh, don't print that. I'm sure it would have been fine, but... Wait, what the heck? Wait, what are the odds that they'd all be the same number? That seems wrong. Oh, man. Okay. Let's check this one more. Is it now? Oh yeah, the 1000th number after 0. Okay, yeah. What is the sum of these 3 numbers? Give you the coordinates. Isn't that what I got though? Maybe I didn't. Maybe I just thought that. mean, there's not that many numbers in here, so. Damn it, dude. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this one so easily today. Zero, 3, -2, 1, 2, 3, or -3, 4. Okay. That says the 1000th is 4. What the heck, dude? I'm just changing things that don't matter here. Like, is there any chance that I copied the wrong thing? I don't think so, right? Yeah. What do I do here? This. Oop. Are these? Oh, thou. What are the inputs? Like, yeah, is it possible that these numbers don't? Okay, there's a bug though, right? Because like, I got the same number 3 times, so I have to have a bug, right? All right, well, we'll print it out. I'm just gonna do this anyways. I think my make list has to be bogus or something. I'm actually legit just gonna drop this into sheets. And then like data. I don't know that I want 1,000 of these though. Dang it. Print. I guess, did I get a different number this time or no? No, they're all the same. but that's probably not what my input is, right? Dang, sorry guys. Yeah, there's only one in, so something's busted. Okay, let's just look at this. So if I get 0, I don't have to shift it. I think that's right. Okay, so the first thing you do is look at the links pointing backward and look at the links pointing forward. So what this means to me is that if there's multiple things pointing at this, that means that there's a bunch of stuff that means that there's a bunch of stuff that ends up. Wait, but how does this even? Yeah, it has to be the same thing, right? Yeah. This is kind of curious. So the issue is that somehow we've like broken the link. Let's just do this. And then stop. And what I just want to do is I want to do no. Dang it, today was supposed to be so good. I bet once we find this bug that we'll get through the second half, no problem. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Because what's ending up happening is we're having too many things in the forward link point to the new thing. So like, let's see, previous. Maybe I didn't construct it correctly. They seem fine to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in here, say let's say this. Oop. This is taking a long run. Okay. So right now it says the next is pointed. Maybe this just doesn't work. It should though. Links first and backwards goes from first to last. I think that's good. Forward is first, second. Backwards is second, first. I wonder if this actually leaves off a link from the oh, let's check this. Print line. Oh man, I think this is what it's gonna be. Because it's not just that one, it also probably wouldn't get called with the last. Oh, maybe it is fine actually. Because it worked for the test input, right? So it's got to work for this. Is that what they say? Oop. Okay, 3630. Oh no. They're not unique. Oh, this screwed me. Okay. What we're going to do is we are going to make all the numbers unique first. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I mean, let me just confirm this. So we'll do this nums. Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pad this out. So we're going to make it so that every number has 4 digits at the bottom that are actually the real number. So let's do this. Fun pad. Oop. Pad. A int, and we're gonna do the int, and this is just gonna be return a dot to string plus b dot to string, add start to 4, and we're gonna pad with this. Oop. Okay, well this is cool. At least I kind of realized what was happening. So we're gonna concatenate these, and then we're gonna do this whole thing too long. String. Oh, just kidding, long. Val v equals, I'm just gonna confirm that this is what I want. A plus B equals V, return V. Okay, and then for each of these, we are going to pad them all, right? So, how do we do this? Let's do this for I in nums dot indices. Okay, say val f equals pad, and this is going to be nums of I to nums of I plus 1, the second, and then we'll have to cover the last case as well, I guess. So aside from wrapping around, when we get to the very end, this is actually going to be drop 1. So we're not going to do I as well. So I guess I could do I plus 1 mod nums. So maybe I'll do that. This is I. This is I plus 1 mod nums. Remember, put the parentheses here. So this. 1 mod nums. Oh, nums dot size. And then this is also I plus 1 mod nums dot size. Okay. And now we have the same thing. Okay, and then we actually don't need to loop around because it should do that already. I don't think we need this. And then let's just do this. Let's see. Okay, so this one for move stuff, we're gonna get and then we can just do the same thing where we do num. So we'll reconstruct that same number, right? And then we'll just do numpad. And then these are also numpad. This is fine. Just everything's longs now. Long and long. Actually need, and this is fine. Okay. My adding is not working. Oh wait, did I print the line, dude? Am I getting no? It's good. No, this is good. let's do plus 0 equals. Okay, that's good. Okay, and it's getting called like twice. Oh, this covers that way, but it doesn't cover one of these. So that's true still. So this... Wait, is it true? Maybe it's not. I don't know. It's printed at the top too. I would have expected this whole thing to start with like the padding. Oh, because I did drop. This is stupid. That was dumb. This should work now. Nope. Okay. Well, I think the padding works. So I'm gonna take this out. I'll at least take this out for now. I run it on this part, does it work? Oh my gosh, how has it already been hours? It's ridiculous. Okay, it doesn't like this. Oh, because this isn't the input. So this is list. So there's no entry. Oh, because we don't know what it is. So I actually have to go through this dot values dot first unpad it equals 0 0L. Okay, forgot that I had to do this. Yeah, we gotta take it out of the format that we put it in. So a long, I'm going to return long, and so this is actually pretty easy. It's a.to string. Actually, we don't even have to do that. A return a divided by 10,000 because we want to drop all the bottom digits. And we drop all of these, it will round down, and so yeah, this is just straight up dropping them. Okay, this is gonna fail again because we didn't. Wait, right? Did I? What happened? Oh. I think when I read stuff in, I think I still have some debug statement way up here somewhere. dot debug. Oh, I have to unpad these, but it's just this, right? So make list, and then we're adding them here. This is unpad, right? All right, there we go. This is going to be the right answer. I don't know now, actually. I think that's a little bit tricky to do multiples. So maybe we're actually kind of doing okay. All right, Grove coordinate values seem nonsensical. While you ponder the Greve, you suddenly remember the rest of the decryption routine. First, you need to apply the decryption key. Multiply each number by the decryption key before you begin. This will produce the actual number of lists. So, okay. So we don't actually need to do this multiplication. Says this will produce the actual list of numbers to mix. Second, you need to mix the list of numbers 10 times. The order in which the numbers are mixed does not change during mixing. The numbers are still moved in the order they appeared in the original pre-mix list. So if -3, okay. So this is fine. We're gonna copy this. So var multiple. Okay. Long. So yeah, that actually doesn't really change this that much for us because of the way we're doing this. So print line. Actually, it might not really matter, but so the important thing to note here is that this is a multiple. So the whole thing's cyclic, right? So okay, so we have this. We are going to leave the numbers as they are. Then we're gonna do, let's see, this is numpad. We're gonna do val multinum. I hope this is already a okay. And then multinum mod size. So we can do this nums dot size. All right, this is actually the number that we have to move stuff by. So just replace it in here. And we should actually do this even smarter, right? So since the whole thing is cyclic, however many forward is the same as however many back, right? So we're gonna do, let's not be that smart about it. This should be fine, and if it's not, we can check. Because we can traverse this. We can traverse a 5,000 element list. 2,000 times 5,000. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. So what I'm actually going to do is I want to make sure that we're not using these numbers in the wrong spots. So this is fine because we're still using the regular numbers. This. this can be an int. It's fine. Not too. I'm not using this thing. It seems like I'm not. Okay, this, and then we can just do eat 10. Okay, and then let's do. Okay, and then afterward we're gonna multiply everything, right? So row coordinates can still be found the same way. So we'll do this times multiple. And here we want to make sure that this is a long. Okay. And so we're just gonna do this against the test input. Sorry, I'm feeling really freaking cold. That was number supposed to be this. Okay. Wait, that was the first. Okay, let's see. So, click. Let me think about this for a sec. So if I have a list of 10 and I'm supposed to move it 10 forward, it probably ends up in the same spot that printable equals make list map forward, and then I'm gonna map all times it times multiple, and then let's do oh man. Okay. Huh. So this says it's not right. I mean, on the literally on the first mix. So what am I doing? So pull the number out and I multiply it by. Okay, do they have a detailed example of this or not really? Make sure that. Okay, that seems fine. This, maybe this doesn't work. Maybe that was stupid. Hmm. And this seems like the right thing to be doing. Oh, it probably doesn't work for negative numbers because mod here is kind of weird. So this needs to be what I actually want is floor mod. This actually give me always. Let's do it. I think it. Oh, long int gives me int. That's good. I think this will also always give me positive numbers. So, for whatever that's worth. I don't think that's. I still don't think that's right. Each number by the description. It says before you begin. This will produce the actual list. It says the order is the same. I think I can do this, but like maybe this is stupid. Like maybe I can't. I can multiply these here. It shouldn't matter. Okay. Okay, and then if this works how I think it works, turns floor modulus. Floor mod is x. No, that's not what I want. This has the same sign. I like for sure just always want positive. So mult and mod is less than row bail. Okay. Oh, times mult. Now I can just do this. Should probably actually just get rid of this and just do. That doesn't really matter. Is this too big? Yeah, okay. Okay. Is there a reason that I can't multiply it afterward? Like, if it's -3 times whatever, like that should be fine, right? So let's go figure out where this is breaking down then. I think all right, so we're back printing this thing, and multi and dot size. All right, we're gonna take this like we did, do this. This is also fine. So back. Oh man, man, oh man. I mean, it runs through the whole thing. It says it's not negative. That's good. Oh wait, do we print this? Maybe this didn't fail. Okay, so this is kind of working how we want it to, which means I'm gonna take this. So it's gonna convert like 3 forward or 3 back to like 7 forward or whatever, right? Which means I can get rid of this. Okay. But this leaves us with the dilemma of like, what is going on? Oh. No. Oop. Don't run in it. That'd be bad. So this is correct. Multiply each number by the decryption key before you begin, which is the actual number of the list. Numbers. Second, you need to mix the list, and then 10 times. The order in which the numbers are mixed does not change during. It's so weird though, right? Like up here, we got 0, 3, -2. I guess it's changing the amount that we're moving each one. So like the result's gonna be totally different. Oh man, okay. Let's just I mean, this would be ridiculous, right? But Yeah, I can't even do that in there. Huh. Alright, let's see if there's just like something happening that I'm not expecting. Okay, so I mean we can go through and just double check that this is like kind of what we expect, right? So like initially it's this number, right? And then we can do this mod 7, and that's 4. That seems good. So what happened? I guess it's this, right? Where it's like this returns 2, but like maybe it shouldn't? I don't know. If I change this back, I think these are the same, right? Like the whole point is that they're in the same group. So I don't think. I guess this is this gonna give me -2 now? And should it? I guess. Okay. I mean, I can cast this to go in. Like back 5 should be the same as forward 2. List of 7. There's some wants for why those are not the same. Maybe this is actually like, you know what? I'm doing this clip, but I think it might be in the wording. It says first you need to apply. Yeah. So the issue is that since I'm going around so many times, there's actually an off by 1 here. Because if you're actually cycling through them, you're gonna take like it would take 7 to get you back to the same spot. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, you're back to the same spot. And that's fine. But actually, wait, where's the wording? To mix equal to the value of the number being moved. Okay. So if I have this, I think there's an issue with just taking the mod, right? So if I moved it like, if I moved it 7 times, I'd get back to this. Maybe it's not. Am I? What am I missing here? Sorry, so I can undo all this. It doesn't change anything. Like, this code is fine. And if I do this, right, so I got this number. Wait, is this actually an int overflow? No, I expected this. Okay. It's like hard to tell even what these numbers are. They're like so big. Alright, because I got this, and I got all positives, so this is higher. Okay. And then let's see. If I change. Yeah, there's something really basic here that I'm just... Alright. So if I change this thing to just be mod, I think I'll get the same thing. Oh, now I got something different. That's actually somewhat concerning. Okay. I thought these would be the same. So, let's see. Back here. Oh my gosh, this does not look good. Take this first one. Yep. I'm gonna get like a dark mode, dude. Upsettingly, I think both of these are wrong. Yeah, after one round of mix. Okay. Okay, so from here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. It gets me back to the same spot in a list of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm here. So I can pretend I'm at this comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what I'm doing, dude. Like, I don't know what's wrong. I'm just gonna try that. I don't even... It's kind of weird, worded funny, but... No. Wait. Oh wait, maybe that is it. That is what. Yeah, I don't. Maybe I'll go back and read it. Obviously, I'm wrong here. But yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's go back and read that. Because I kind of was like, hey, maybe I'm off by 1. I guess I sat there and said it for like 10 minutes, but... Like, it says, move each number forward or backward in a list equal to the number. I'm like, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I guess when I say 6, yeah, 6 does put me between 6 and 7. Aw, oh, man, that's annoying. Yeah. All right. Well, this was actually, I mean, it took us a while, but I bet the people who solved this were pretty quick. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so fast. But you know, about where we normally end up, right around 2000. I won't complain too much. Probably could have knocked off another 10 minutes early on here, but yeah, not so bad, especially considering we started about 15 minutes late. So happy with that. And yeah, day 20 is in the books. I think that's it, and we'll catch you tomorrow for day 21 coming in on the end here for sure. So happy to be done, happy to have people along. Catch you tomorrow for the next one.